The Lamborghini V12 Gran Turismo immediately strikes with an aggressive yet elegant front design. Its low-slung hood, Y-shaped LED headlights, and sculpted lines scream performance while maintaining Italian flair. The aerodynamics are masterfully crafted, making it as much a piece of art as a speed demon on the tarmac. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a cockpit of a futuristic fighter jet. Everything from the layout to the materials exudes luxury and purpose. The driver-focused layout is all about precision, with tactile switches and digital screens enveloping the pilot. The comfort seats are trimmed in Alcantara and carbon fiber, hugging the body with ergonomic brilliance. They're not only about support but also style, bearing the signature Lamborghini stitching and sleek design that matches the car's aggressive DNA. The dashboard is a full digital experience, merging cutting-edge technology with minimalist beauty. Every gauge, function, and setting is customizable and easy to navigate, giving the driver full control at high speeds. Under the hood, the heart roars a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 that delivers breathtaking horsepower and instant throttle response. The sound alone is worth the ride, a symphony of power and precision. From the front splitter to the rear diffuser, the Lamborghini V12 Gran Turismo is built to dominate. Every detail, every angle, speaks of passion, speed, and unrivaled craftsmanship.